A Ford F-550, baby, it's the king of the ground. 4x4 wheel spinning, kicking mud in the air. With that 5.0 Coyote, nothing can compare. Let's chase the sunrise where the wild winds blow. Set up our camp where the cool creek flows. Leave the pavement far behind where the pines stand tall. In my trusty F-550 we can have it all. Let's hit the trails where the wildflowers grow. Camp by the creek where the cool waters flow. Rugged and ready, leaving city lights behind. In my Ford F-550, true freedom we'll find. 8 cylinders roaring like thunder down the line. Through the mountain passes where the eagles still fly. Trail dust rising, painting memories so true. In this steel blue dream, it's just me and you. Let's hit the trails where the wildflowers go. Camp by the creek where the flow waters flow. Rugged and ready, leaving cities behind. In my Ford F-550, true freedom we'll find. Marshmallow flames dance as the fire burns bright. Counting constellations in the deep velvet night. From blacktop to gravel, we'll ride